Moin moin, liebe Espresso-Freunde. Hey, shout out to all my viewers from Germany. Love me some Vanna. I have a giveaway announcement. My name is Dule Rabbit. Let's win some screens. Well, folks, here's the star of the show. This is the Waveshare 1.75 AMOLED screen. I have an installation video about it. It's phenomenal. It's very compact. All the stuff is crisp, and the blacks are the AMOLED blacks that everybody loves. Now to the big story about this. Waveshare featured it on their website. Hey, I'm a small channel, and that's a huge honor. I did something cool, they liked it, they featured it, and I reached out to them. I said, hey, I bought this with my own money, I installed it. I actually have a 4.3 inch Waveshare that I'm trying to figure out how to get Gaggimate to work. I'm designing it. That's a whole different story. If you watch my shorts, you know what I'm talking about. I digress. They said, hey man, sure. So I like your products. They like what I do. Let's do a giveaway. The nice people at Waveshare said you can have not one, not two, not three, but four screens. So I'll be giving away 4 screens, and this is specifically a model that has a metal case on it. If you need options, you got them options. You can put a magnet, you can put the wires through the red light, the hole on the front of the Gaggia Classic, and then just mount it flush. I will be 3D printing a case that Mod something created. So shout out to him. I'll be adding that to the package when I'm sending it out. Since I have only 4 to give away, and if you're one of those that didn't win it, and you still want to upgrade your screen, please consider using my affiliate link down in the description. It helps me, it helps the channel, it helps me do more of these giveaways. Now to the contest rules. Please write hashtag Waveshare down in the comments and write what kind of machine are you going to be using this for? What is your Gaggimate on? Is it 90% Gaggia Classics? Is it DeLonghi's? Is it Rancilio's? Every machine that can run a Gaggimate can run this screen, so consider writing that in the comments. I'm going to try my best to make it a worldwide contest. You have to understand that there is import duties. You know your country, you know what I'm talking about. If there's any import duties, it's your responsibility to cover them to receive the package. There is no purchase necessary. Everybody is allowed to enter. This contest is going to be running for 2 weeks. I'm going to be posting it on this video in a pinned comment. I'm going to be posting a community post, and I'm going to be posting a short to cover and encompass all of that. Make sure you're subscribed. Keep an eye on the results. Good luck to everybody. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.